Hi there, welcome back. This is Kevin Smith with First Team Real Estate here in Southern California. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about an upgrade that you can do for your home. People always ask me, is synthetic grass or fake grass, is that a great upgrade for my home? Now I'm going to give you 3 pros and 3 cons. The number one pro for having synthetic grass, here in Southern California, it's quite hot, Mediterranean type weather, and we always have to watch our water bills. So the one thing that's great about synthetic grass is that you never have to worry about a water bill and making sure that it's, kept green. The second pro to having synthetic grass is that it's always going to look nice. Once it's installed, it can last up to 25 years depending on the quality of the product, and it always looks manicured and looking sharp no matter what time of the year. The third great pro of having synthetic grass is that you never have to have a gardener again. So no mowing, no weeding, no upkeep, no monthly bills for a gardener who's going to need to take care and manicure this new synthetic grass. Some of the cons to owning synthetic grass, number one is the expense. Now, depending on the quality of the product, it's made of polyurethane, so it's a plastic mixed with soil. You have to get quotes in your area, and the companies that may offer the product, there's different qualities. So the cost is more expensive, obviously, but you'll have to check with your local dealer to find out how much it might cost for the square footage that you're using and the type of grass that you'll be installing at your home. The second con is that it can be known to be pretty abrasive, although the quality has changed over the years. If it's kept in the shade, it won't get direct heat, so it won't be hot to the touch. But if your kids are going to be playing on it, you have to keep in mind that, it could skin some knees. It's a little bit more abrasive than a regular grass. The third con is if you have a pet. So normal grass obviously washes away different types of smells and things, but like a synthetic grass, you'll have to keep it maintained. And if you have urine from a pet, you're going to have to clean it and wash it away so it doesn't smell. So those are some of the main reasons why you would have to think about some of the cons when buying synthetic grass. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me either by phone, text, or email. We love hearing from you. Hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.